Meet Sarah. She's an ICU nurse working a grueling rotation of night shifts, weekends, and back-to-back doubles. She brings in a solid base income of about $78,000 a year, which is more than enough to comfortably cover her living expenses. But this graph shows exactly what her finances actually look like. Even with the erratic upward spikes in her income from working extra shifts, the line representing her total debt balance remains completely flat month after month. Most standard personal finance advice falls completely apart here. Traditional monthly budgets assume you get a predictable paycheck, completely ignoring the volatility of shift work. Working harder and picking up more shifts will never cure her debt if her underlying financial plan cannot adapt to an unpredictable schedule. The issue begins the moment she clocks out. After 12 hours on her feet, physical and mental exhaustion takes over. That exhaustion creates a hidden shift tax. It looks like hospital cafeteria meals, late-night food delivery, and impulse online shopping to reward herself for surviving a brutal week. The extra cash she earned from that grueling overtime shift gets entirely absorbed by these convenience purchases rather than being applied to her debt. The obstacle isn't a low salary. The physical toll of the job naturally erodes financial discipline, triggering emotional spending when her defenses are lowest. To fix this, Sarah needs a specialized framework designed for her reality, the shift budget. This animated diagram breaks down how it works. A single large bar representing total monthly income splits into two blocks. She creates two, a $4,800 block for base income and a separate $900 block for overtime. The base income locks in to strictly cover mandatory bills, leaving the overtime block floating separate as isolated bonus money. With the bonus money isolated, the next step is choosing a specific debt payoff route. She can use the debt snowball, which builds emotional momentum by paying the smallest balance first, or the debt avalanche, which mathematically minimizes the total interest paid. This tiered breakdown looks at Sarah's specific debt load. She has an $18,000 student loan at 5%, a $12,000 car loan at 7%. Predetermining these allocations and automating bank transfers successfully bypasses her exhaustion. The money is sorted before she ever has the chance to spend it emotionally. Next, she needs to plug the leaks in her daily routine. By cutting back on delivery fees and hospital coffees, she recoups about $350 a month in convenience spending. She immediately routes that recouped $350 into building a $1,000 starter emergency fund. Establishing this basic cash buffer is mandatory. When the inevitable broken appliance or flat tire happens, she won't have to swipe her credit card and create brand new debt. Fast forward 2 years. Sarah operates with a clear system, and her financial stress is noticeably lower. This time-lapse chart tracks the exact results of her consistency. Over 24 months, her high-interest debt trend line drops steadily to zero, while her retirement investments begin curving upward. She accomplished this without taking on a second job, and without relying on a massive raise. Financial freedom for shift workers relies on a predictable system of automated decisions. It doesn't require a flawless lifestyle or working endless hours. If this approach helps you, subscribe to our channel for more personal finance strategies designed specifically for healthcare professionals. Paying off debt is just the first phase of wealth building. To see what comes next, click here to watch our breakdown on exactly how much you should have saved by age 30, 40, and 50.